LinkedIn. Hope you guys are all having an amazing day. I'm wearing my New York shirt because Motor City recently took a trip to New York as a sales team. Our owners went, we had so much fun, but what we walked away with was a great partnership with an amazing company. And I'm putting this video out there because if you guys are in the CNC industry, if you work in manufacturing, machining, maintenance, and you think that we could make some kind of a great partnership out of it, we want you to reach out to us. We're looking for win-win opportunities with partners where we can mutually benefit each other. So if you have an idea, please don't hesitate to reach out to me, Lauren@MotorCityRepair.com. I can't wait to hear your ideas and hopefully get to work with you guys in the future. Hope you guys all have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.